Hi guys, it's Dr. Pryor, and today we're going to be talking about how to eat prunes. Now, prunes are dried plums that have many health benefits, and I made a whole video on it, so you should go check that out on why you should eat prunes. So how you can eat them is you can mix them with nuts and seeds to make a healthy trail mix. You can add a few to smoothies. That's great for children. You'll need liquids, and you could use banana or honey to make it even sweeter to get a kid that's palatable to a kid, and that could be used in a kid who's suffering with constipation. And you can chop them up. You can add them to salads. You can add them to your oatmeal or yogurt. You can add them to cereal. Yeah, many things you can add them to. Yeah, you can also make them into basically just eat them, or you can put them even in a savory dish, that you could just use as like a sweet, like stews. Yeah, and lastly, I made you a great video on a great recipe for energy bites, and these are peanut butter oatmeal with prunes. So go ahead, check that out. First, you're going to measure out a cup of prunes, which I counted was 18 as you see, and then you're going to measure out a half a cup of oats and put that in the food processor. A step you don't see, I put a quarter cup of peanut butter in the food processor. Then you chop up the prunes and you add them to a bowl. Then you're gonna get boiling water and put it in the chopped up prunes. You're going to let the boiling water sit on the prunes for about 10 minutes to rehydrate them. Then you will drain them and add them to the food processor. Then you're going to pulse this all together until it becomes a fine particle. Then you can add some honey, your desired amount, and then pulse again to incorporate that. And then you're going to roll these into balls, about 1 teaspoon each. The chia seeds you can pour into a little bowl in a fine layer and roll the balls in. And this should make about 12 balls. Here are my finished energy balls, and once they're finished, they need to be stored in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes and can be stored for a whole week, and they are about 130 calories each. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I want to thank you for coming in and watching. And if you could like this and you could subscribe, I'd appreciate it. And please check out the health benefits on the prunes, so you'll really want to eat these, okay? And have a good night, okay? Oh, and I'm accepting patients. You can reach on my Instagram. Okay, bye-bye.